Thousands of people across western New York remain in the dark at this hour as utility crews are working around the clock.
They have made progress, but still have more lines to reconnect. National Grid, NYSEG, and RG&E have about more than 4,000 total customers without power at this hour in our region. News 4's Patrick Ryan tracked down utility crews in Eden today. He has details on when the lights should be back on.
The intense winds here in the town of Eden have died down, but the work of utility crews like this one behind me are far from over as they work to restore power to many western New Yorkers. Utility crews across western New York climbed high in the sky to make repairs and get the lights turned back on. Between National Grid and NYSEG, 4,400 people remain in the dark. Erie County tops the list at this hour. Almost 2,200 customers there are without power. A long line of bucket trucks dotted Route 62 in the town of Eden this afternoon. This area was hit hard by whipping winds, bringing trees into power lines and knocking out power for many in this rural community. Hundreds of residents took advantage of dry ice distribution yesterday to keep their food from going bad. I was told today only one person showed up to the Southtown's distribution site.
We've been challenged by having to repair more than 100 broken poles, transformers, other equipment. And the real challenge has been getting access to that stuff by the way of as an example, trees falling in the middle of the road.
Did not put the generator away. I just wrapped it up, put it by the back door, knowing that we could possibly have another nasty storm coming up. If you do have any medical problems, keep in mind that we have vehicles with the emergency squad.
Tola tells us almost all customers currently without power should expect service to be restored by the end of today. He says preparations are already underway for this weekend's weather. We'll have more tonight on News 4 at 10 and 11. Patrick Ryan, News 4.